Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we tell you why did South Africa give up its nuclear weapons? From the 1960s to the 1990s, South Africa pursued research into weapons of mass destruction, including nuclear, biological, and chemical weapons under the apartheid government. 6 nuclear weapons were assembled. South African strategy was, if political and military instability in southern Africa became unmanageable, to conduct a nuclear weapon test in a location such as the Kalahari Desert, where an underground testing site had been prepared, to demonstrate its capability and resolve, and thereby highlight the peril of intensified conflict in the region, and then invite a larger power such as the United States to intervene, before the anticipated changeover to a majority-elected African National Congress-led government in the 1990s. The South African government dismantled all of its nuclear weapons, the first state in the world which voluntarily gave up all nuclear arms it had developed itself. The country has been a signatory of the Biological Weapons Convention since 1975, the Treaty on the Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons since 1991, and the Chemical Weapons Convention since 1995. In February 2019, South Africa ratified the Treaty on the Prohibition of Nuclear Weapons, becoming the first country to have had nuclear weapons, disarmed them and gone on to sign the treaty.